How to put borders in MS Word Mobile. So if you want to put borders in your MS Word Mobile, then first you need to open up your MS Word application. Once you open your MS Word, now go for the upper right, which has that plus option. Tap on plus, tap on blank document, and now you need to tap on the mobile view, which is on the upper right, and you need to resize your page. Once you resize, now here on the upper side you will have the A option, right, the edit option. Tap on that and then go for home and tap on insert, and under insert you need to insert a blank page. And once you've inserted, now you need to scroll down and find text box. Tap on text box, and here you will have your text box, right? So you need to enlarge the text box. So if you want this much borders, then you can choose the borders from the text box. So adjust the text box according to the borders that you want. So that's it. That's how you can put borders in MS Word Mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.